Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn IELTS with me. Hope you all are doing fine. So today I'm going to discuss some changes which are announced by ITP. There is a good news for academic test takers, and that is a new type of online IELTS test is on its way. You can avail this opportunity very soon in India, yet no fixed date has been announced for it, and it is basically called IELTS online exams. For this, you just need a desk in a quiet place, your ID means your passport, a workstation, your computer or laptop, a webcam, and a speaker. This test is currently available in some countries, as you can see on the screen, like Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Bolivia, and it will soon start in our country, India. So, you know, that IELTS exams are being conducted on January 14, 19, 21st, and 28th, and in the month of Feb 4th, 11th, and 16th. So you can attempt it on any of these dates. Another update is that IDP has clearly mentioned that students must prepare their cue cards properly and must use idioms, not more than one or two, but with clear meaning. I think you guys must focus on the topic rather than using a high vocab and many idioms. I have seen many students are confused that what and how to answer the general questions. For this, my friends, just answer these questions in 2 to 3 lines, which are, I think, more than enough. Like, they ask you a question: do you have friends? So you can answer like this: well, I have many friends as I am an extrovert, but Nancy is my best friend. I love to spend time with her. So in this way, you can use the name and enhance your answer, right? So you can answer your cue cards very thoroughly and properly. Same in the case of follow-ups. You can answer it in 5 to 6 lines, but with a clear view. So for the writing module, I have noticed that many students are capable of writing their own ideas, but due to some reasons, they are considered as grammars. And the reason is none other than using a templates. Basically, template is a pre-written lines, or you can say molds, in which you fit your ideas during writing, which leads to reduction in your writing bands. So try to use a format but avoid using templates. Also, do not use memorized lines because IDP knows very well about those lines and give you just about 5.5 bands. Instead of this, just try to draft easy and understandable language while using normal vocabulary. Always try to write simple but meaningful paragraphs in writing and avoid unnecessary synonyms. One thing, it is better to repeat the same words rather than using a wrong synonym. Another thing which I want to suggest you while attempting the writing task, it is just focus on the main idea, right? Just read the question twice, at least spend 5 minutes on the question and understand it well. Then write the points aside and then start writing the task. In this way, you will have a crystal clear view of your question and you can achieve your desired bands. So these were the important changes as well as tips and tricks for IELTS, right? Uh, if you like my videos and you want to gain more and more information about IELTS modules, you can subscribe my channel Learn IELTS with me. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.